Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Duvel, a special beer from Belgium. Why is it special? I don't know, but look at this bottle. Really unique design. Is this normal in Belgium? Leave a comment below, Belgian people. And here it says, 4th generation of Moortgat family. So I guess this is the family that brews this beer. Because on the bag it says, Belgian family brewers. So there is no big corporations behind this beer. It's all family made. This, by the way, is really strong beer, 8.5%. So you only need one of these to get yourself going. You get a little buzz. But look at this art here. I don't think this art fits on like a family traditional beer. Like this, traditional. This is so modern. This fits for some like small brewery IPAs or something like that that they make nowadays. I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Let's get it open. Here we go. Nice bottle cap. And we have Stella Artois beer glass. Now it's competing brand, but it's also from Belgium, so I think it's fitting. Ooh, look! It's already making bubbles on the top. How should we pour this? Let's see. Amateur pourer. Ooh. Big mistake. I don't know how you brew the... Somewhere I read that you have to brew it like this, but I don't know. It's pouring over already. This review started off horribly. Look at this. The foam, it's not calming down at all. It's staying like this. It's like a statue. Did I do a mistake? I don't know. Let's pour in some more. Look, it's coming out. Okay, I read online that it's normal for Belgian beer to foam like this because they have higher amount of CO2 content. But I also made a mistake. I was supposed to pour it like this from the angle, but it's hard to do with one hand when you're filming. So let's get dressed here. Ooh, the foam is coming out again. But yeah, it's time for the truth. Let's see if Duvel special beer tastes any good. Now I know why it's special beer, because it's foaming. It's coming out funny way. Now I'm not a beer expert, but the smell that I'm getting is already different. It's like more fruity smell. They have like fruit inside. Let's take the foam. People say you drink it with the foam online, so let's do it. Refreshing beer. Look at the color. It's like gold. Nice. Now you can taste the high amount of alcohol content here for sure. Like usually beer, it's 4%, 5%, maybe 6, but 8. 8 is high amount of alcohol. And you can taste it. Yeah, it's bubbling in your mouth more than a normal beer. Normal beer, more bland. But this Belgian beer, high amount of CO2, it is feeling nice. Tingly sensation in your mouth. The color is like, if you look, you can't really see through it. That is interesting, because other beers you always see through. You will see my face right now if this was some other beer. But here you can't see it, so I wonder why is that? Why is that? Somebody explain it to me. Is it the bubbles or is it the content itself? Maybe it has some particles inside that are not blended together with the water so well, but the particles might bring some flavor. I don't know. Really unique flavor. I never tasted quite like this before. I sampled maybe 50 different beers in my life, but this is something special. Now, do they have any English information? No, they don't have it. So I don't really know what have they added to make it taste like this. But it says special beer and it tastes special. So maybe that's the explanation. Slow brewed to perfection. Thank you, Belgian breweries. But yeah, always nice to support beers that are not part of big chain like Heineken or Carlsberg or the Anheuser-Busch. This you support the family, the normal family, family man, family guy. You support them. It is really fruity flavor, it's more close to some soda almost, they must have added some kind of fruits to sweeten it up. Sometimes the beer is bitter. It's not really tasty at all. It's just dries your mouth, but this flavorful. Really interesting, unique experience. It's almost like the meat. Do you know the meat? Maybe they added honey here. Maybe that's what brings the sweetness. And maybe that's why it's always also not transparent, because honey is so thick, honey. You can see through the honey, it's thick. It's thick, look. Yeah, I'm getting this meat flavor a little bit here. Yeah, interesting experience. Thank you, Belgium. Thank you, Moortgat family, for making this beer, brewing it, and bringing it all the way to Finland. I appreciate it. Cheers to Moortgat family. This beer gets 9 out of 10. Thank you. Leave a comment below if you tasted it or not, and what should I review next. And as always, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next epic episode of Consumer Goods Reviews. The best beer reviews on YouTube. I'm the expert. I know everything about the beer. This has been certified beer reviewing experience. Nobody else can do it like me. I'm the best. Thanks for watching. I'm just kidding. I don't know anything about beers. I'm not alcoholic.